should be a pretty good ride today.
Currently, I'm in Miami, Florida. I'm on a girls trip with my very best, closest friends. I have snuck away from the group really quickly so I can do a proper intro for the video. If you're new here, I'm Emily, and welcome to the vlog. Background, there are 6 of us on this trip total. Carolyn, Emma, Zoe, and I have been best friends since middle school. And then there is Tam, Jess, and I, we have been best friends since college. And then somewhere along the line, we have all met each other, meshed well, and this is our second ever girls trip together, like with this group. Also, if I haven't mentioned yet, today is July 4th, Thursday. We're staying for the long weekend and leaving Sunday, the 7th. I'm excited. I don't really know what to expect. Hopefully I like Miami. I've never been to Florida as an adult. I've been here once as like a teenager on a family trip, and we went to Key West, but like I think this is a completely different vibe and time than that. But yeah, I'm just excited to spend some like quality time with my best friends. This is gonna be the start of night 1. We just checked into the Airbnb. I think we're just gonna try to take a slow, chill this first night. We're all a little bit tired from just traveling, and then tomorrow, that's like a different story. Honestly, I'm feeling a little disoriented right now. My energy level kind of low. I woke up at 5 a.m. this morning, and of course I had like the worst sleep possible every single time without fail. If I have a important event or place I need to be at the night before, I can never fall asleep because of the fear that I'm not gonna wake up in time for said important event. So I got like a couple hours of sleep last night. Our flight was at 8 a.m. Getting here took about 5.5 hours. There's also the 3-hour time difference. So currently 6:25 p.m. Jess actually just texted and said they have landed. I flew in from SFO with Carolyn, Tammy, Zoe, and then Jess and Emma are flying in from LAX, which they should be here in half an hour. But yeah, literally the whole day has gone by and we haven't done anything yet, really. I think I'm gonna shower actually, because I already feel kind of like sticky and just like sitting on a plane for a couple hours with the airplane air feels kind of gross. First observation, just stepping outside of the airport, it is so hot here. It is like so humid. It's supposed to be 90 degrees all week and then 80s at night, which is something I am not used to. Anyway, you guys are up to date. We are going to get ready now. Are you following the chicken tendies guy?
Oh my god! Isn't that the fucking Australian TikTok story?
Oh, wait, chicken nuggets?
No!
Oh.
Dude. Kind of looks like that. Influencer.
Oh, I totally know who you're talking about.
Yeah, and they're both like small, petite, have the... Show me what's her name?
You guys will not believe who texted me.
No, I haven't told them.
Oh my god, he's actually
That's the craziest thing that's ever happened to me. Genuinely like narcissistic.
I feel like you can get away with it.
I told someone.
You're like, my fucking jaw was on the floor.
This married man. Can you? I really want to, but Emily is not in the house.
It's messed up that they replaced Tyler the Creator with Superman.
Since like
He's on Optimus.
2019.
Actually, no, I saw him at...
Here.
Oh.
All right, good morning. It is start of day one. We woke up at 11 a.m., which honestly wasn't that late for us. It's like 8 a.m. at home. Just went to go get breakfast at Joe and the Juice, which was like about a 5-minute walk away. Where's my smoothie? Okay, I got a matcha smoothie. It honestly came like this liquid D. And then we each got a tuna cotto, which I haven't tried one of these yet, so I'm excited. Also, I'm like a mess right now because it's almost 1 p.m. and we need to be at the club at like 1:30. Okay, I'm gonna try the sandwich and like, I don't know, inhale it because I need to finish getting ready. Taste test. It's okay. Honestly, I'm not super hungry right now, but I should eat because we're gonna be drinking soon. Personally, I think this is like a 6 out of 10. The smoothie is worse. I have makeup on. I don't know which bikini top to wear. This morning, I just wore this yellow one out, and here's the bottoms. I have this blue set, a red set, and then a beige strapless set as well. I brought 4 bikinis with me, 5 different handbags, 3 pairs of shoes for this 3-day trip. Also, look at this cute bracelet that Jess made all of us. We all get one with our name on it, and she says the color matches our aura. Dinner last night was interesting to experience, I think. Food was pretty good. The service was honestly slow. Like the food took forever to come out. I feel like they forgot about our main dishes, and when we asked them about it after like, I don't know, like 40 minutes of sitting there without food, they're like, what pasta? But our waiter was so nice, and it was just like a really pretty, aesthetically pleasing restaurant. Also, something I learned about just being here, they had yacht parking at this restaurant, which is insane. Like I saw more yachts drive by yesterday than I did cars. Crazy. Okay, I think I'm gonna wear this blue set. I don't think I'm gonna wear my hair in braids actually. And then I have this like, it's not a beach cover up, but it kind of looks like one. This like mini dress from Princess Polly.
No, I'm not gonna block you.
Should I do silver? I think I'm gonna do gold jewelry. Some gold rings, and then some big gold hoops and baby gold hoops. That's the look. Okay, and then I have these shoes, which I don't really love, but they're the only ones I have right now. I think we have to head out in like 10 minutes. Obviously, I'm not gonna bring the camera. I'll try to get some clips on my phone. Okay, so I did not get any videos here. We're at this day club called Strawberry Moon. It was just so hot and sweaty and we were melting. Tam and I in particular.
We're sweating and we're dying.
It's so hot here.
So hot.
Stayed there till 4:30ish before heading back to the Airbnb because we have dinner at 8. Got ready, everyone's in their dinner outfits, and then we decided to walk over to the restaurant. We always underestimate how far places are when wearing heels. It was a struggle.
Here are our fits.
Your dress is from Princess Polly?
My shoes are from, I don't remember.
The restaurant was stunning. We had a nice yummy dinner for the table. We got Peking duck, sushi, crab lo mein, and fried rice. And by now it's like 9 p.m. Alright, I finally have time to sit down. It's night 2. Today has gone by like so fast. All we do is get ready, go to a club, get ready, go to dinner, and now we're getting ready again. It is 9:30 p.m. We're gonna go to a nightclub. We just came back from dinner at Komodo, which honestly, pretty good, and it's like a beautiful restaurant. But it was like a couple blocks away, and we ended up walking and then Ubering back. We also ended up meeting these girls at the same table that we were at Strawberry Moon, the day club. They're like the same age as us, same vibe. They're from Vancouver, and now we're gonna be a group for tonight. We're gonna go see Trey Songz. He's gonna be at this club called Vendome. Strawberry Moon was pretty much exactly what I expected. We were at a table through this promoter, and then we had like some drinks and hopped into the pool for a little bit. Also, I wasn't there for this conversation, but some of my friends met guys that lived in this building. One of them started the conversation with Carolyn. He was just like, "Hey, do you live at Brickell Bay?" And she was like, "How do you know that?" And he was like, "Oh, I saw you guys leaving the apartment." Apparently they're on like the 40 something floor. We're on 33. They ended up being cool. I actually haven't met them yet, but we're gonna go up to pregame with them. I still need to change. I think we have to be at the club around midnight, which is insane, and apparently performers come out at 3 a.m. We're just not gonna sleep tonight. It's fine. But I do want to show you guys my dress because I love it. Honestly, I haven't bought a lot from Tiger Mist. This yellow dress is from Tiger Mist, and then this black mini dress I'm gonna wear to the club tonight is also from Tiger Mist. I'm exhausted. Typically, this is my bedtime. This isn't alcohol yet. It is in a red solo cup, but it's gonna make me feel better. Zoe poured us all some Pedialyte. Oh, and here's the dress. It's not bad.
Yeah, these are good. Wait, I've never had this before. Blueberry to pomegranate drink. Oh, this one's mine with the liquor.
Alright, it's 11:30. We're going to the club.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat. Simcoe's been asking for me on the road from the west to the east. Way up, I might never come down, cause the coast racking up the flight miles. So high, I might never come down, so what, this is my lifestyle. Wait a minute, work hard for the cause, so that's why it's all tinted. Wait a minute, had a real late night, woke up with my head spinning.
Hey, we're seeing cup. Got a couple bottles, but a couple in them. Bottoms up, throw your hands up. Tell security, we about to tear this bitch up.
It's 4:05 a.m. We just got back. I am going to shower. I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to do my skincare because no matter how late it is or how much I've had to drink, I'm going to be clean before I go to sleep. So I'll probably be in bed by the time the sun rises, which is soon.
Good morning, world.
Good morning, vlog.
Good morning, vlog.
I'm on the balcony. This is day 2, night 3. Good morning. I'm feeling pretty good. Excited for our last couple hours in Miami. Today's gonna be wholesome girl time. We all woke up this morning and collectively decided to not go out tonight. Half of us are hungover. We're all exhausted. It's almost 2 o'clock now, 1:48. So we have not had food yet. We're gonna go grab some sandwiches, walk around some shops, and then head over to the beach, which we haven't even really seen the water yet. I got that feeling in my stomach. Dude. Yeah. So we headed over to Little Havana to grab Cuban sandwiches and then just made our way to the closest park to eat. Afterwards, we got smoothies and then spent the rest of the afternoon at Crandon Park Beach. Thank you. Okay, and then last night in Miami before heading home was spent watching the latest season of Love Island, and then we went on a walk around the neighborhood. We ended up walking by this jewelry stand in the middle of the street, so we took the opportunity to get matching friendship rings. We made our way to dinner at North Italia tonight, and then what I didn't end up getting on camera is all of us crying at the table because Zoe asked us what our highs and lows of this trip was, and we ended up talking about how grateful we were for each other. Oh my goodness.
There's actually no way, dude.
It's July 7th, Sunday, a little past midnight and about 5 hours before we all have to be at the airport again. Of course, nothing is packed yet. We basically stayed awake until daylight. Thank you. But that was our girls' trip to Miami. Definitely a weekend we'll remember for a very long time, and now another cherished story in our friendship.